In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on chat history in Google Chats via Google Workspace. Whether you're managing a team or just want to keep a better record of your communications, enabling chat history can save you a lot of hassle down the road. So let's dive into the process step by step so you can get it set up easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Workspace. You'll want to make sure you're accessing the interface specifically for Google Workspace users, as this is essential for managing settings like chat history. Once you've navigated to Google Workspace, the next step is to click on the admin console. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your business email and hit next. Make sure it's the account that holds admin privileges, as these settings can only be adjusted by someone with admin access. After entering your credentials, you should be granted access to the admin console. Now, with your admin console open, turn your attention to the top right of the interface. You'll see the Google Apps menu, that's your target. Clicking on this menu will drop down a selection of available Google Apps for your Workspace account. In the menu, find the admin icon and give it a click. This is a crucial step because it directs you to the central hub where you can tweak various settings, including those for Google Apps. Once you're there, click on the Apps option within the admin console. This is where all the applications linked to your Google Workspace account are managed. Following that, navigate to the Google Workspace section. It's where you will find the suite of Google applications, including Google Chat, which is our focus today. Once you've clicked on Google Workspace, look for Google Chat in the list. This is where we'll adjust the settings for chat history. You'll then see the option for History for Chats. Click on it. It may seem like a small action, but this is where the magic happens. You'll have the option to turn on the History for Chats. Simply toggle it on. This ensures that all future chats in Google Chat within this workspace will be saved for later reference. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This is the last step, and it locks in all the changes you've just made. Without hitting that Save button, your adjustments won't take effect, and all your effort will be for naught. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled chat history in Google Chats via Google Workspace. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless experience where your chats are safely recorded and easily accessible whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.